On today's show, Cyanogen Inc. looks into making phones, BlackBerry's Porsche phone Part 2, the PlayStation 4 breaks sales records, Classic Snake appears in a new Metal Gear, and NASA's Maven probe. It's Buffalo Bulletin time. Hello Internet, and welcome to the Buffalo Bulletin, where we recap 5 major stories from our site technobuffalo.com every Tuesday and Friday. If you're interested in reading more about any story I mentioned on the show, check the description for links or click on the graphics for each story if you have annotations available and toggled on. I'm Ashley Esqueda. Here are your top stories. It looks like Oppo Vice President Pete Lau has resigned in order to work alongside Cyanogen Inc. Cyanogen mod creator Steve Kondik and developer Kush Dutta posted a picture with Lau late last week, revealing the reason for their meeting was to discuss their vision of a high-powered phone running amazing software. We're assuming the amazing software is Cyanogen, of course, but it remains to be seen how Lau will assist on the hardware side of things. The one thing we are sure about, though, is that this is a most intriguing collaboration and one with enough potential to make any Android fan excited. BlackBerry unveiled the P9982, the sequel to the P9981, which was a very expensive handset designed alongside Porsche. There were rumors going around that the two companies would collaborate again on a second handset, and now those rumors are official. It has a stainless steel front, interchangeable leather-wrapped back panels, and shares the very same insides as the BlackBerry Z10. It'll be available at London's famous Harrods department store for $2,400. I guess if they can sell one or two, everyone in Waterloo gets a Poutine of the Month Club membership for the holiday bonus? I got nothing. Over in gaming, the big story late last week was the PlayStation 4 launch, and now we've got some sales numbers to go with the new console. The PS4 smashed sales records for consoles in North America, selling out its entire initial shipment of 1 million units in just 24 hours. It's now the biggest console launch of all time, but we'll have to wait and see who comes out on top, because Microsoft is looking to topple the record this Friday with the launch of their Xbox One. Regardless, though, of where your console allegiance may lay, it's a really good time to be a gamer. If you're not familiar with Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes, it's kind of a little prologue to keep us satisfied until Metal Gear Solid 5 The Phantom Pain drops. But even better, it seems that Metal Gear publisher Konami says there's going to be an awesome Easter egg in the PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4 versions of Ground Zeroes, a special deja vu mission that takes Snake back in time to the first Metal Gear in 1998, low polygon count and all. Series creator Hideo Kojima has a pretty well-known sense of humor, so I'm sure this bonus level will hit the mark for Metal Gear fans everywhere. Our wildcard story for today takes us into the final frontier, space. Yesterday, NASA officially launched the Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Probe, or MAVEN for short. Unlike the Mars Curiosity rover, which focuses on Mars's surface, MAVEN's job will be to study Mars's atmosphere. Over time, NASA hopes to learn why Mars is currently the way it is, since they believe at some point it may have had an atmosphere similar to ours here on Earth. We can expect MAVEN to start sending data back in late September of next year, so we've got a little while to wait. That's the Buffalo Bulletin for today. If you enjoyed the show, a thumbs up would be super awesome of you. And if you want more great Techno Buffalo video content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking this giant subscribe button. See you guys next time.